turn on the stove and also cut the egg and also stew it and also on it.
And then,
And then,
did you put oil?
yes.
Yeah. How much oil did you put?
Two oil.
What?
You have oil.
2 half oil. Do you like it? Use your spoon so you can eat also the rice. Ishi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah? How about Kuya? How are you? Can I see that one? Are you almost done?